Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Hello, friends. Today, let's learn about jobs. Listen and learn with me. Teacher. A teacher helps students learn. Policeman. A policeman keeps people safe. Doctor. A doctor helps sick people feel better. Nurse. A nurse takes care of people. Firefighter. A firefighter stops fires. Chef. A chef cooks food. Waiter. A waiter brings food to the table. Farmer. A farmer grows food and takes care of animals. Driver. A driver drives a car, bus, or truck. Pilot. A pilot flies an airplane. Dentist. A dentist takes care of teeth. Hairdresser. A hairdresser cuts and styles hair. Mechanic. A mechanic fixes cars. Builder. A builder makes houses and buildings. Cleaner. A cleaner makes places clean. Shop assistant. A shop assistant helps people in a store. Postman. A postman brings letters and packages. Engineer. An engineer builds machines or systems. Artist. An artist paints pictures or makes art. Musician. A musician plays music. Actor. An actor plays roles in movies or shows. Soldier. A soldier protects the country. Scientist. A scientist studies how things work. Photographer. A photographer takes pictures. Librarian. A librarian works with books in a library. Well done. Now you know 25 jobs. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.